All right, these are the ones that everybody freaks out about. Word problems. All we have to do is translate it into mathematics. There are 30 animals on Farmer Blair's farm, all owls and golden retrievers. That's a weird farm. If the animals have a total of 92 legs, how many of each type of animal lives on his farm? Okay, now I know that there's 30 animals. Well, I'm going to call owls X because my O's look like zeros. And golden retrievers, I'm going to use G. So if I take the number of owls and add it to the number of golden retrievers, that would be all the animals. So I have number of animals plus number of animals equals number of animals. So using the same logic, number of legs, each owl has 2 legs, plus how many legs does a golden retriever have? 4. I have 2 equations I can solve. I could use substitution, solve this for G or X, and then plug it in, or I can use elimination. I'm going to use elimination. I'm going to eliminate the X's. So I would multiply by -2. I'm just going to rewrite it right underneath. So that gives me -60 equals -2x minus 2g. Now, when I add these 2 equations together, one of the variables eliminates. That's why I multiply it by -2. So the x's would eliminate. See, they're gone. This leaves me 2g equals big fat 32. So then divide by 2, g equals 16. So there's 16 golden retrievers. If there's 16 golden retrievers, how many owls will there have to be? Well, plug 16 in for g, subtract 16 from both sides, and x would be 14. So there's 14 owls, 16 golden retrievers. Now, I'm going to give you one. You're going to see it here. Hit pause and try it. Try writing 2 different equations for it. Don't freak out about it. So you got number of chocolates. That would be one equation. And number of boxes would be another equation. So give it a try, and then I'll show you the solution. Ready? Hit pause. And now we're back to check it. I use X for small boxes, Y for large boxes. There's 8 chocolates for every small box, 20 for every big box. And that would be the total number of chocolates. Number of chocolates equals number of chocolates. Number of boxes equals number of boxes. I decided to use substitution this time. So I subtract y from each side, and that's how I got the x equals 28 minus y. And I substituted in for that x. So I wrote out the whole thing and substituted in for x, and then I just solved it. Here's the next one for you. Hit pause and solve it, and then hit play again and check it. Remarks, set, pause. And we're back. And you checked it. Don't forget to bring it in so you can take the makeup problems on this type of problem.